Greetings and welcome to the blog post, How to Start Your First Data Science Project, a practical tutorial for beginners. My name is Adam Morris and I will be walking you through video explanations of each of the sections of this blog post, but we wanted to introduce along with the author Juan Kehoe, in terms of like what it is we're going to be doing here and why you should follow along and do the project with us. So we know, via like job statistics and Google searches and all kinds of different statistics, that data science is a hot field. It's something that people around the globe are interested in getting into. Learning more about, doing it at home, that kind of thing. And the good news is there are a ton of resources out there covering all different aspects of data science, from doing a project, which is what we're going to be walking you through, to like statistics, to different languages like R and Python. Different packages that you can use like pandas, anything you can think of related to data science. There are thankfully resources out there for you to use, but it can be very overwhelming. And so we wanted to gear this blog post for beginners, to kind of walk you through the steps of a simple data science project. To begin with, we're selecting a data set from Kaggle that is based on the Titanic, and so it's very interesting. It's clean, and so it's pretty straightforward, and we think that it'll be good for you to use for learning purposes. So, and then from there. So we're also providing you the code to run so that you can work through the steps of the data science workflow, which we'll cover in the next video. And, you can complete your first data science project, with very few prerequisites required. We're also providing links and resources for you to learn more along the way as you work through this initial project together. So we're very excited that you're here. We know that you might be scared or overwhelmed. We promise we will walk you through everything you need to do. So if you try, then you can succeed. And so with that, let's get started. And if you have any questions or comments, please post them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.